Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Saturday the what are we now? Saturday the, trying to get the date up here. Saturday the 29th of January. As you can see, everything is. I put another set of shelves up, by the way, which I'm really pleased with. So I've got 3 tiers. These can go to 4 tiers, but I haven't got enough room to put them in the 4 tier setup. Here we go. Here's my watering tray. There's some rose cuttings. I have my beautiful sweet peas that are coming nicely now. And here we go. There are some. I forget the name of them now. Cosmos. Go phlox, chrysanthemums, all sorts over there. Hi monkey. Got no heating on and 15.8. I think that's really good. 65% humidity. My pelargonium cuttings. There's some rosemary at the back there. Here's my potting bench in the middle. It used to be over there to the right. Found that's a lot better in the middle now. Here we go. Some more pelargonium cuttings. These are some bare root echinaceas I've just potted up. There's my petunias from last year. Perennial petunias. Anybody tell you that they're annuals? They're fibbing. If you look after them during the winter, keep them frost free, keep on top of the powdery mildew, they will last forever basically. Take cuttings off them. Come around here. Some more petunias there. Echinacea, some more pelargoniums, delphiniums, a few lupins there. Dahlias at the back there. These are radishes. A little heater propagator. Dahlia at the back there. Begonias here. Dahlia cutting there. And last but not least, let me kneel down here. My beautiful begonia there. My beautiful tomato plants. They're looking really well. Pelargoniums. Beautiful fuchsia there. I have my poppies here, cornflowers, lemon balm. So everything, some freesias there. So everything's looking really well at the moment. I've had a few problems with the fungus, powdery mildew. I've sprayed and I think I've got on top of it now, hopefully. And I've never had such a bad year with powdery mildew. I know, I think it's because I fetched in a lot of plants from outdoors to overwinter them, and you fetch them in and they're fetching pests and diseases with them. So yeah, if you've got any questions, that is it to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.